This movie is produced by Aida Chemical Industries, who is the manufacturer of art clay product. This is the series of tutorial, comprising 15 movies, introducing different technique of art clay. We hope you learn how to make a silver jewelry work with art clay product from this movie.
You can make paste from leftover art clay silver clay type. Break the clay into small pieces, and add same amount of water as the clay volume. Squish the clay in the water with a flat end of toothpick to mix them together and make paste. If the paste has too much water, leave in the air to adjust moisture.
Art clay products are available through authorized distributors, located around the world. We have strong distribution network, and community to support your creation with art clay. They are not only selling art clay, but also giving people a chance to learn art clay technique. Art clay is an educational material. You are not only make a beautiful silver jewelry work with art clay silver, but also learn and skill up your technique. Enrich your life from learning. If you are interested in art clay product, please contact them. If you don't find the country where you live in the list, find the closest distributor or contact us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.